Hey guys, how are you? Welcome to couponing. This is Splint Rose. I'm downstairs in my basement. I was doing some laundry, so I wanted to let you see all the bags that I've been bringing in of detergent. Okay, in this first row here, I have like fabric softeners in here, and I just left them in the bags. The second row, I have the Tide Pods. I'm sorry, those are Gain Pods. It's like 2 in each bag. In the third row here, I have the Gain liquid detergent. Here I have the Tide. I have the Tide Pods. Here I have Tide liquids. Over here, what is this? This is Purex right here. Over here, this is Arm & Hammer, Arm & Hammer, Arm & Hammer. And this stuff here is all. Right here, I have some Persil. I only have 2 left. My husband has been using them doing the laundry. I only have 2 left of the Persil. I have some all here. And let me just take it down so I can show you. Okay, give me a second. I'm taking it off there so I can show you what's in here. Look, this is all pods. All pods in here, all different kind mixed in here. And up here, okay. Ooh, so I'm just gonna put this stuff back up here. Let you get another look. Put these up here. And then I go to open this closet. And look, I have Arm & Hammer up here on the top. I have Purex, I have OxiClean, I have Whisk, I have Tide Pods and Gain Pods back here. And what's this? These are pods that's in the bag. I have OxiClean here, some Gain, more OxiClean, some these here things, they smell so good in the wash. Probably should be over there. So this is all OxiClean. I have some Bounce that you put in the dryer. I have these Purex crystals. I have just 1 Suavitel left. More crystals Gain. I have some fabric softener in the back. Down here I have Tide. See that? And I have some Purex over there. You know, that's cheap. Then down here on the floor, I have some crystals. You know, these smell so good. Let me see. Look, the Unstoppables, they smell so good in your clothes. I have like 2 bags of that here. And then over here, this is some Purex. This one is Arm & Hammer. I said Purex, but this is Arm & Hammer. Sorry about that. Just mixing up stuff. And these are bags, because when people come to get the stuff, I have bags. You know, family and friends, they come and they come shopping. And I even have some Gain down here. This is Gain fabric softener. These are fabric softeners. I put 1 up there. And this is my laundry stockpile. And as you can see, I didn't have room for all of that. You see all of that? I didn't have no more room. That's why it's out here. And it seemed like I had another bag full of, another container of pods, but they're not here now. So we don't really be down here. My grandsons used to be down here. That's my grandson. He's a DJ. He does music with Dave East. You know, I don't know. And this is my laundry room. In here, I have, I put a laundry detergent up there that I can use. And some things here. Some of my laundry stuff down there. My machines. Alright. Okay, that's the way out of here. Okay, but right now I'm doing laundry. I'm go around. Okay. And for as big as this house is, we have a little small basement. This is really like a cellar. Yep. Okay, guys, I just want to share with you my my laundry stockpile. And you see this here, the box? I have some boxes of Tide, like the powder kind. They're all the way in the back in that closet over there. Yep. All right, guys. Okay, so I'm gonna go, but before I go, I want to say, have fun shopping. Don't forget to subscribe. Thumbs up the video. Press the notification button so you'll be notified when I put up a video. And I will see you in the next video, guys. Bye-bye.